Good morning.
We're
We're matching.
Even our bags. Bag and my bag. Sunny day today. This is our day 2 in Boracay. Our first full day. And we decided to do a coffee crawl this morning. So we are moving from station 2 to station 1. We're going to be riding the e-trike to go there. So it will probably cost us about 200 pesos for all 7 of us to ride the e-trike. And then from there, we're going to go to Sunnyside Cafe. It's quite a known cafe, which actually faces the beach also. And we're going to have coffee in there. And then the kids will swim. So we'll see how it looks. See you there. And this is the crew. We're riding the e-trike. That's the e-trike. We're leaving Azalea.
On the way to Sunnyside Cafe. Hello guys! Hello everybody! There. We're riding a sustainable e-trike on the way to station 1. How's your morning so far?
Good.
Good?
Why is my face up yellow? Good.
How's your morning so far? Good. Very matipid with words right now. Good. That's the answer of the day. Good. Sunnyside Cafe. This is one of Layla's bucket list, so we're gonna take our time to enjoy here, buy coffee, and enjoy the beach for the kids. Hi guys! David and Sophie in the far away. And there's Monique and Attichin right by the shore. And there's Layla taking photos.
We're finally here at Sunnyside Cafe in Station 1 in Boracay, and it's a perfect beach spot cafe where I get to drink my coffee, which is actually very good, while watching after the kids. You see, the beach is just right there. It's just so beautiful right now. The weather is perfect. You can see the clear blue on blue on white sand of water. It's so really good, and I think that the coffee is really amazing. We also ordered like calamansi shake, which is also very good. And we went here because this is one of the spots that are popular among the vloggers, and it's also part of the bucket list of Layla. So she'll share why she wants to be here.
I always keep an eye out for specialty coffee shops. Aside from the quality of the coffee, it's also the vibe of the place. And it's always an experience whenever I drink coffee. It's not just the taste or the pastries or the food. That's why I chose this. Good job, Sunnyside Cafe. You should go here.
Everything is nice, so this is highly recommended. And by the way, the staff are very accommodating, very efficient, and very friendly. So thumbs up. Sophie, how's your experience at the beach?
Good.
How's the water?
Cool.
Cool? And the sand?
It's nice, not hot.
What do you like more, Bohol or Boracay? Boracay? Because of the beach? Okay. Get in the beach ride, go back to the hotel. Now back from the beach, and how's your experience?
Good.
Yay. Would you tell people to come to that beach?
Yeah.
Why?
The sand in Boracay is super soft. The ocean is like blue. Although the sand is a lot of like wood and coral, but it's really nice.
Would you recommend it for babies like you?
I think so, although I'm not sure though.
Okay.
But if the baby steps on like a coral, could maybe hurt. There's a lot of rocks before the water, so I'm not sure if babies would like to step on it.
Okay. Their parents should carry them.
Yeah, and you should buy slippers before going into the water. Like maybe you could put your slippers near the water so you could like not step on the rock. Because me and my sister Ate Julia were walking on the beach. Yeah, we were on the beach. We weren't wearing slippers, so going to the water. So the rocks kind of hurt us.
Okay. But when you're in the water, the sand was perfect.
Yeah, the sand was really nice. It's really soft, so yeah, it's actually good to put on your skin. Because if you have dead skin, it's good for your body, so to remove the dead skin.
Like a spa. Wow!
And there is Sophie on the elevator.
There. Okay, back to the hotel. Let's go.
See ya.
If you want to save some money, since the costs in Boracay are pretty high now, you can just do what my mom is doing, which is bringing some canned goods so that you can just cook your food instead.
What's your favorite food that I brought?
Pancit canton.
Pancit canton.
Missed the spam.
Yeah, she likes pancit canton, and there it is.
Spam.
This is what we're doing. So it's good to get like a 2-bedroom like residential apartment, so you can bring your own
My
food and
favorite
cook.
thing that my mom bought is the spam.
Yay, spam girl.
Hey guys, so I will do a room tour for y'all. Okay, doorbell.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so this is the dining room. There's that. So, if you bring like canned food that you can like cook, then you can do that. Because there is a stove, but if you don't have pans, you can call them and get some. And there are some utensils in here if you're going to eat. So this is the living room. This is the couch, but it can turn into a bed too. And the one that sleeps. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
We're gonna go to the master room. So the master. This is the master room. We have a closet. There's a lot of space for your clothes. And Azalea, the hotel, we have the vault, some slippers, our luggage and stuff. There's a table, my backpack, chair, and the bed. It's really soft.
How is it?
So soft. Now we have the master bedroom, bathroom. So they're right here. Hi. Faucet. Some mini toothpaste. A toothbrush. And then the shower. It's really nice because then you can also close this. The shower is really nice actually. Okay, now our journey. We're gonna go there now. There's Mom. Okay, now we're gonna go outside. We're not allowed to go outside though, but only parents. Oh, no, there's not a cinema roll shirt hanging. That's just my shirt. Now the final room, bedroom. So this is the bedroom, the other bedroom, and these two sleep here. And you don't have to go out. You can stay here if you want. So
No!
there's a table like the other bedroom, and of course another closet. Ooh, what nice pastel clothes.
Who's pastel?
That's your clothes. Some lights. Okay. Can turn it off. The aircon, and of course another balcony. Good. More clothes. Okay.
So it's 2:30 p.m. and we decided to head out and get coffee after a morning of swimming. So we're gonna head to Blackfish for Ate's coffee fix. Oh, look at that. It's a cute hop on and a hop off.
Where?
Oh, first time I saw that today. Okay, let's cross the road. So you enter a small esquinita from the road. There. Coming from the back. Oh, look at that. Salsa Fusion Restaurant. There's leads you to this. Where are we? Okay, just following the path. Okay, Esquinita goes on some more. And you go past some dive shops. There's some dive shops here. And after a few more steps, there's Blackfish. Gusto ni Ate. There's Blackfish.
Blackfish. Nice. Hi. Are you gonna drink coffee? Drink coffee? What did you get?
I got Blackfish coffee. Double espresso, sweetened milk, and something activated charcoal.
Wow. This is our second coffee spot, and this is called Blackfish. Obviously recommended again by our caffeine expert right here. And this is also in Station 1. The aesthetic here is much different from, where did we come from again? Sunnyside Cafe. Which Sunnyside Cafe is very white, very clean, very Bali vibe. But it's beachfront. But this one, it has concrete and industrial vibe, which is also very nice, but you can't trip here, like what she said. And the coffee is also good. I ordered the cappuccino, which is about 200 19 pesos if I'm not mistaken. It's unique. It's just cappuccino using coconut milk. So I think it's a must try also when you're here in Boracay. It's really nice, and you can just walk right, to your right, and Station 1, the beach is already there. So I'm gonna ask her why she recommended this place, because she's the one that added this to our bucket list.
There's only two or three cafes that I wanted to go to here in Boracay. But this one, maybe number one, the aesthetic of the place. It's very Instagrammable. And number two, it's popular. So I wanted to see if it was worth the hype. And yeah.
What's your verdict?
What's your verdict?
I think yeah.
Reviews? What did you order?
I got the gold latte, and I usually get the latte so that I taste the coffee, not really the flavoring. And yeah, the verdict is it's good.
It's good. And actually, for Boracay Cafe, I think the price is the same in Manila. It's quite pricey, but you're in Boracay. That's it. Yeah. So it's a must try when you're here in Boracay. Blackfish.
Next on Team de Armas' Boracay Adventure. Down to our last 48 hours in Boracay, we ramp up the experience with parasailing, making the most of the beach, more cafes, and what we personally deem to be Boracay's best burger. All this and more next on Team de Armas.